Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the G20 320D M Sport Saloon in mineral grey. So alongside a fantastic exterior body colour, we've of course also fitted the vehicle with a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, alongside a set of brand new 19-inch M Performance style alloy wheels. And alongside that, this vehicle does have a wonderful amount of BMW factory optional extras, all now compiled into the new package system, which we will come on to shortly. At the front of the car, you can not only see it's a 2019 19 plate, but of course those are very striking LED headlamps. Down the side of the car, again, you can see those brand new alloy wheels alongside our frozen black YNC Mperformance side vinyls and of course decals, and the gloss black sidebars as well. The mineral greys are really clean and tidy on this vehicle, and we have got sun protection glazing on the rear windows. The interior does come with the technology package, which we will of course delve into in a bit more detail shortly. It has got black Vanenskia leather with both the electric lumbar and heated option as well, and that interior is being illuminated very nicely currently with the blue option ambient interior lighting. However, that is all interchangeable should you fancy a different colour. We've got Harman Kardon thanks to that technology package, and a lot more is included in that, and as I've mentioned, we will be taking a short look at what else is included in that in a moment. Rear seats, you get a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, folding armrest, and we still have our lovely darkened M Sport headlining, and that all in there is superbly clean and tidy. Rear passengers can now have the convenience of a digital adjustment for their temperature control. Round the back of the car, again showing you off these brand new alloy wheels, and they really do make all of the difference to the overall look of this fantastic 320D G20. Around the back, you've got these lovely 3-dimensional lights. We've opted to go for the gloss rear spoiler and matching rear diffuser, which sits over those lovely twin exit exhausts. You do of course get a rear facing reversing camera. We've got a very nice size boot on the G20 3 series, and they now thankfully all come with split folding seats to of course give you that option for slightly longer items. Round again to the driver's side, you can see once more that the mineral grey works not only very nicely with all of the additions we've made, but again is a really clean and tidy example of a car that's covered just over 16,000 miles. It has had its first service with BMW and comes with both the service record for that along with its pre-delivery inspection service as well. And again, of course, I'm going to show you both of them on the service screen shortly. Now, going ahead, taking a seat inside this wonderful 3 Series, we're immediately greeted by both our BMW Live cockpit and our wide touchscreen system as well. So starting the car up immediately, you get a sense of just how much technology is on board this car thanks to that lovely all-new Live cockpit system. Currently, I've got the map view. However, again, that is something that you can customize to suit your needs and wants. Just click the car off once more to show you the mileage. It's done 16,577, and once more start it back up, and we shall now head over to our wonderful professional wide navigation and media screen. This little button down here, we can deactivate all of the intelligent safety systems, or again customize that for our individuality. Going through into the multimedia, we've got a wide array there. Of course, we've got DAB, we've got some music collection, Bluetooth audio, and the Spotify enabled. However, that is not our only multimedia system on this vehicle. If we go down into mobile devices, go to new device, you can see there we've got regular Bluetooth audio and calls, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is great news because it does include both Apple users and Android users as well for this car. And again, to keep those devices charged up on the go, it's not a case we're going to have to use our USB port down here, as this little tray here is a wireless charging tray, which in my opinion is one of those essential things for any modern vehicle. Really great bit of kit. Simply place your device in there, it will charge up and you can simply forget about it, because remember, you're being connected via Bluetooth or even your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So back onto the car itself, I did mention about the services. You can see there it's had a very recent service at BMW alongside the pre-delivery inspection service as well, and the next service for the car is not going to be due for 13,000 miles. Again, another nice feature for the tech pack if the camera will focus in on it, you can see there you also get a heads-up display, which is currently displaying not only our road speed, but it'll also show the road speed for the current road that you are on, giving you a nice bit of road safety there. And of course, when you've got a sat-nav route set, it will show it up there along within your live cockpit as well. So as well as those things, of course, being a new BMW M Sport, we've got the AI assistant, which you can call upon to do many things, including simple tasks like putting your heated seat on, or even quite complex things like setting your sat-nav route, or even telling it things like you want to engage sport mode. And another fantastic feature for this car is we have got gesture control. So you can see there we can turn the volume up or down by just using gestures, again, along with a lot of other commands for that system as well. So thanks very much, guys, for taking the time to watch this walk around video of this very nicely spec'd, very nicely presented G20 320D. Do of course hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and of course if you do want to get in touch, all of the contact information is down below. Again, thank you, take care, goodbye.